It's 20 below outside tonight, north of Montreal, and we're in the exhaust shop owned by Nick's friend David. Nick brought this 1970 Charger he's restoring, known as the Black Diamond, here for the custom exhaust install. And tonight, in 20 below weather, without a windshield or a hood or a trunk, Nick is going to drive it back to his shop.
Hi, I'm Nick. Welcome to Nick's Garage. And I'm here with David, who does all our customized work on the exhaust system. David, I want to thank you. I know it's Saturday late afternoon. Here we are in the industrial park area. We're the only people in this whole neighborhood at work. So right now, I'm going to take this car back to my shop. I don't want to thank you for staying late on a Saturday night to finish it off for me. I just got to bring it back to my shop. You know, right now there's nobody in the road. So I want to drive it back slowly because I want to start working on it next week. So I want to say a very big thank you.
Thank you very much.
And now let's hear it for the first time. I didn't hear it yet. You told me to check, get it running. You want to hear for any exhaust leaks?
Sure.
And of course, I want to show our viewers, we're going to start the car for the first time with the mufflers on.
Thank you very much.
And here we go. We only have a half a seat because we're not finished with the interior work yet. So you know what, I wanted to get working on it, and it's not very often David has a chance to take a day or two to finish off the exhaust system. So when he called me in to bring in the car, I brought it right away, so I had to do it. And because he's got a busy next 2 weeks. So now that he's got it done, I want to bring it back to my shop, and let's get it started. Here we go. Stefan, are you ready? Here we go. Okay, so we just got a few hundred yards to get to my shop, which is just around the corner. And we're gonna drive it very slow. And I can't wait to drive it. Can't wait to try this. All right.
Good luck.
Okay, here we go. Bye, David.
Thank you so much. Back to the shop, and it's minus 18 degrees Celsius here.
It might sound crazy to be driving a car with no windshield at 18 below, but the cold is the reason that Nick chose tonight to move this classic back to his shop. At any temperature below -10 Celsius or 14 Fahrenheit, road salt stops working. The snow and ice don't melt, so there will be no slush thrown up on the underside of this freshly painted Charger. Nick often test drives his builds on this quiet piece of road along the fence at the local prison. But the guys in the guard towers must be scratching their heads tonight as Nick creeps by at a snail's pace.
It's cold out here. Jeez. It's windy, it's cold. I'm only going 1 mile per hour. Got no windshield, no back window, no seats, no seat belt, no insurance, no license plates. And right here we are in the industrial park area, Saturday night. Nobody's around. I'm the only one on the road. So for safety reasons, that is why we're doing it now. I just want to bring it around the corner. We're just a few hundred yards away from my shop. So David and I were not far apart. And plus I don't want to make any mess on the underbelly, so I'm going to take it very slow. Wow, this is something. This is the first time I'm driving this car. Wow, the mufflers are loud. Pump the clutch right now, but oh yeah, I feel it, man. I just feel it. I want to pump the clutch. Well, I don't want to spin the tires because you know what? I want to keep the car clean. So let me just take my sweet time, bring it to the shop. We're just a few yards away. Look at that big hill there. Look at the snow we got here. Thank God there's no slush here today. So I'm lucky. Well, I gotta get working on this car. You know, when you have a chance with David to get the car done, and all the exhaust systems, all custom work, and we put on a set of flow masters that Stefan wanted. Here we are. God, it's freezing. It's worth it. Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you, it's worth it. All my gauges are working. Tachometer, water temperature, oil pressure, alternator, fuel gauge. And maybe I should have put on the heater, but who cares? You got no windshield. What's the use of putting the heater on? Anyways, it's all good. I gotta go stop in front of the shop now and open the door and drive the car into my shop. So this way next week I can start working on it. I needed to put the exhaust on because, you know, running the car in the shop all the time with the open exhaust manifolds, I'm not crazy about that. Okay, so now we got my pipes on, the mufflers are on, and the chrome tips that Stefan chose, it's all together. And here we are in my shop. I'm just gonna get out for a few minutes and open the door, and that's it. Here we go. Here we go. Go get the door open, I'll be right back. Wow, it's cold out there. Oh. Now I'm happy the car's back in my shop. Now we just gotta finish it off. But you know, I want to bring it back to the body shop so I can put the hood and the trunk back on. But in the meantime, you know, starting it up and moving it around the shop from one to another, it's pretty loud. So we had to put the exhaust system on. And there we have it. And the mufflers, Stefan, good choice, man. I just love it. And of course, you wanted your own personal chrome tips. There they are. Man, that car just sounds great. Awesome. Okay, I just wanted to say that, you know, I drove it so slow. Look, there's nothing on the quarter panels or anything. Just the tires got wet. And there's no cleaning required. If anybody's got anything to say, come here and see it. But I'm telling you right now, it's beautiful. It's perfect. And there you have it. Back in my shop. This is driving the car, man. Wow. The next thing is, let's put it all together, finish it off, and take it for a real drive. But in the meantime, it came on its own, coming back from the muffler shop. Whoa, my hands are frozen. And I'm just happy I brought it back. Okay, let's go for a coffee now. And there you have it, you guys, back in my shop. The Black Diamond. Stefan, there you go, buddy. It's cold, man. And you guys, if you look down below the video, we have a whole bunch of merchandise that you guys can buy. So whatever you like, buy it, love it, wear it, and enjoy it. And help spread the word of Nick's Garage. And if you have some time, check out our Patreon page. We have extra content and you guys can watch it and take it from there. And we'll see you next time.